the next day.
Wires.
Yeah, see how small that is?
That could be the problem.
It's just too small of a wire, yeah. They always do that.
That's crazy. I'm like, we already changed. I had a starter. I would unplug it, and then we test it. Started perfectly fine. Got another starter. Got another.
You put the coolant on there?
Yeah, coolant's already there.
That's okay.
Huh?
Shit's cracked, bro.
Nah, that was since yesterday.
You sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that?
Oh, been there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're filling up on coolant after because it was going a little bit over.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No, we'll fill it up after. Also on the way.
Okay.
That was leaner yesterday. That was lean. Nah, not even tighter, you know. Fucking the launch that shit. Put something in there. See if I still got it.
Don't spill like last time.
I wasn't me that spilled it last time. Don't do me like that. Oops. It's almost full. It's almost like to the neck. Sponsored by Tylenol.
That became ready last time. I know that's like it was mean ass headache.
Got a mean headache. I don't know. Every time I come out of the Dyno, I got a headache. But this bitch ain't gonna give us a headache.
Yeah, you didn't sleep, right? You were on like, what, 2 days no sleep?
Yeah. I was like up like what? 2 days, basically.
I remember that. You came right from work.
I've been doing bad in sleep, especially work nighttime. I go straight to the shop, and the next thing I know, I'm over there all night. My boss see this? He's like, yeah. I don't know. How powerful?
With the power pole? No, going into the motor.
Don't plug those injectors?
No. What happens is there's a certain amount. You have to have a lot of fuel to spray the 85 when it's full.
It's always a starter problem. If somebody got to sponsor the starter and a wire. I'm planning on changing his harness if I don't sell the car. Mark seen it, he's for sale. He's like, nah, keep it.
This is so hard to get them back.
Yeah, things are very expensive. That's a 9 second. Mark said he would lock it up with the bike.
Mark and AJ?
Mark and AJ, no bullshit.
At least you know there's no coolant on the inside.
Yes. Fuck it, I'm gonna load it up. That's what it is.
A few moments later.
Get no break. First build motor, down to the drain. Straight coolant through. Hey man, trying to see what's going on and everything, and then gonna try to get that home. Yeah, we found ice. No bullshit. We found a chunk of ice.
We gotta take this shit out real quick. draining the oil. Flush the water in there.
You gotta flush the block.
Shit.
Looks like we gotta definitely flush the block. A little bit, man.
Gotta flush the trans.
Yeah, say it right, say it right, say it right.
The trans is perfectly fine.
My block was fine. We can drive on it.
Yeah. Drive for like 10 minutes. Do one burnout. That's all you gotta do. One burnout.
Motor's out. Don't get to record it, but time for surgery.
2,000 years later.
Back here again, guys. Part 2. This last time, you know, we had some problems.
Hello, have a problem, man.
This guy doesn't want to get his hands dirty. Look at him. Look at him. He doesn't want to get his hands
I'm pumped, man. Came out here trying to make some good numbers. We're gonna make good numbers and then we're gonna hit to Maryland. We're gonna see you guys out there.
My prediction is 624, around there.
But mine went bad.
Yeah. We'll just take it off. I don't wash the power, it's gonna be fucking crazy. It'll probably be 600.
That's crazy. The only way I can do, I gotta try to close this, go ahead. it's loose or it's like picking it up.
It's gotta be gentle, bro.
Snapped it.
Snapped it.
What's the difference now in the power? Because you know the cam gear move forward. Right now it's stuck back. Now it'll move forward and get more advanced. So the middle range will have more power. And then
It finally worked out, man. Paid off. Monday was there, motor blew. We had the whole block was cracked because I used water on it, and then it froze. It was like, I think 20 degrees out, it froze. So today we came out, stock bottom end, build hedge, and then we made the power. Paid off. I want to thank Mark, and then make sure y'all tap in with MH Tuning, man. You'll get you right.
I've been on person drinks. Sometimes I feel like I'm tripping. All trying to take me to the pain, but you never kept me slipping.